One day Simon was walking in the garden. He was planting a flower in the town. The cat was walking to him, and then the cat was playing counting butterfly, I don't know. It was feeling weakness. While Simon was digging a hole, suddenly the cat took a pull in a hole of Simon's flower. Although Simon didn't know that the cat had taken a pull already. The cat was running to ground no one. Simon was putting a hand into a hole, while the flower was touching a hole of the ground. It the same full of everything. He was favorite looked at the cat, and then the cat pointing to round no that it was doing it. The cat was riding him, and then the cat was walking away, and it was playing outside this place. Feeling happy, the face was smiled, but Simon was bad, and the face was foul. Finally, Simon was putting a flower in ground. He worked to finish. He finished a hole. Although Simon didn't know Arnold, but he wasn't angry with the cat. Ronald was garden decoration. British people always decorate in the garden. They believe Ronald was beautiful in the garden.